In this video, you'll learn how to get up and running using Symantec Endpoint Security Enterprise by following these 5 steps. When you log into your Endpoint Security Enterprise instance, you see the home page. Number of desktop and servers that you have enrolled will appear under the Endpoint Security section. You'll also notice some features that are not enabled. These features are part of a Symantec Endpoint Security Complete subscription. If you want, you can try these features out. You'll notice the icons in the left pane. This is where you configure and administer your Endpoint Security Enterprise instance. Another important concept to understand is domains within Endpoint Security Enterprise. You can enroll your devices into separate domains or enroll all your devices into a single domain. From our domain picker, you see several domains. In our example, you see the default domain. This is the domain name that you specified when you purchased your subscription, and a domain name that we created. The testpad domain is for trying out new Endpoint Security Enterprise features without affecting your environment. To enroll your systems, you install the Semantic Agent. The first step in this process is to build the Semantic Agent package. The Semantic Agent is supported on Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile platforms. Press the Advanced Options button to view additional configuration options for your Semantic Agent package. Once you've configured your Semantic Agent package, download it and save it locally. You've successfully built your Semantic Agent. We'll show you 3 different methods to deploy the Semantic Agent. One is using a third-party software tool like Symantec IT Management Suite. Use Endpoint Security Enterprise to send emails to your users to invite them to install the Semantic Agent. You can include Windows, Mac, and Linux download links of the Semantic Agent. Your users will receive the following email inviting them to install the Semantic Agent. The third deployment method is designating a device as a discovery agent. Copy and install the Semantic Agent package to the system you want to designate as the discovery agent. A discovery agent will search for systems that are not running the Semantic Agent. These are unmanaged devices. You can then decide which unmanaged devices to push the Semantic Agent to. Back in your Endpoint Security Enterprise homepage, you see the Semantic Agent installation reflected in the device count. Access Device Discovery to add your discovery agent. In our example, this device represents where we just installed the Semantic Agent. You can run discovery of unmanaged devices within your network on a specific IP address range or the entire subnet. Once device discovery completes, click the Unmanaged Devices link to view unmanaged systems in your environment. From this page, you can filter discovered systems by platform and decide which systems you want to push the Semantic Agent to. In our example, we've successfully pushed the Semantic Agent to 3 devices. Now let's take a look at the policies that come with Endpoint Security Enterprise. When you install the Semantic Agent on a device, the following policies are applied by default. Let's review the anti-malware policy. Let's use that policy as an example in our policy review. Each policy contains several tabs. The Details tab is specific to the configuration of that policy. You see the powerful protection settings associated with the anti-malware policy. You can change the settings within this policy or duplicate the policy and configure it and apply it to a device group accordingly. And lastly, access the Devices tab to view all devices that have the Semantic Agent installed. Note the designation of the discovery agent. When you click on a device, the device page includes several actions that you can take to manage your device. This includes running a live update on the device, scanning, restarting, or quarantining the device. There's also a wealth of information about the device. Here you can see that the default policies are already applied to the device. Symantec Endpoint Security Enterprise is the industry leader in protecting your environment.